Okay, for number 2, they're giving us a 2-digit number and the reverse. So the original number, I'm going to represent as xy. You could use t and u, you could use whatever. And the value of that is 10x plus y, right? And then for the reversed number, that would be yx. And the value of that would be 10y plus x. And the key to these questions is whenever they refer to the number, they really mean the value of the number. Okay, so now we read it. It says the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 13. So that means x plus y equals 13. And then it says when the digits are reversed, the new number is. So the new number they're talking about is this one, the value of it. So 10y plus x is 27 more than the original number. And for that, they're talking about this one, right? The original number. So 10x plus y, and 27 more would be plus 27. So there's the original 2 equations. Now, I'm going to simplify this second equation. So I get 10y plus x equals 10. Oh, sorry. Let's simplify this a little better, right? Okay. So I'm going to subtract everything onto my left-hand side, right? So I'm going to subtract 10x and subtract y from both sides, minus 10x minus y. And we get 10y minus y is 9y, x minus 10x is minus 9x equals 27. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 9, right? And I get y minus x equals 3. So that was the second equation, right? That was this equation. I just simplified it. So now I'm going to bring the other one down so I have my system together, x plus y equals 13, right? And I'm just going to rearrange that top equation so that my x's and my y's line up. So it becomes negative x plus y equals 3 and x plus y equals 13. And now it's really easy to see which method to use to solve. I'm going to use elimination. Negative x and x is 0, y and y is 2y. And 13 and 3 is 16, so y comes out to be 8. And now I'm going to use the equation x plus y equals 13, and I'm going to substitute in the 8. And we subtract 8 from both sides, we get x equals 5. Now the question says, what is the original number? Now the original number I represented as xy. So the original number would be 58, right? Because x was 5 and y was 8.